Hey guys, we're on our way to get the bike. The bike is fixed. We're going down to a very special bike shop in town, and as you can see here, we got the trailer all hooked up, ready to go. It's a little road trip, about an hour and a half down there, and we'll talk when we're there. We're getting ready to leave, so here we go. Iowa, and you guys aren't going to believe what's around this corner. Check this place out. And I wonder what's sitting right there. Got a couple of cat trikes too. I wonder what this is. Oh wait, it's mine. Looks awesome though, don't it? With the new body work and everything. Although that guy... Hey guys, so as you can see, I got the rear wheel off, and I'm going to show you what I got in the mail. And actually first I'm going to show what happened why I had to take the wheel off. So this is the old sprocket, and as you can see, the teeth on that thing are pretty wore out. Look at that. So that's why the chain was slipping all the time. And this one here is a nice shiny new one. And as you can see there, the teeth on it are brand new. And today, I'm at least going to attempt to put the sprocket back on the bike. So, I'm not going to film that process, but I will film after the sprocket is on, because I'm at least going to attempt to put this back on the bike. But as you can see, compared to this one, line them up right there. There we go. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, compared to this one, the teeth on here are really worn, and the chain won't slip anymore with this guy on. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and go and put this back on, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this is one process that I actually wanted to show. So this is the mount where the sprocket goes, and basically just line the holes up with the mount and then just bolt them on in there. And on here, the bike comes with the spacer for the sprocket, and that just mounts on there like that. Of course, line the holes up, and then here's the disc for the disc brake, and that just attaches on there just like that. Alright, so we're going to take this thing for a spin. Just going to go down to the park and back. My camera doesn't have a whole lot of juice on it left. So, just going to do a quick ride to the park. Oh yeah, better turn my headlights on. As you can hear, sound. That, I think, is actually the motor sprocket. Sprocket that's actually on the motor. But other than that, everything else is working just fine. Go in here, turn around. Make a little U-turn. Yeah, see, like right now it's not doing it. When I go faster, it does. And I think the chain yeah, see there, it's fine. Yeah, it does it occasionally. So, I think we're set and pretty. Actually, I'm not gonna go in. I always back up. Don't want to run into my trike. Alright, anyway, there you guys go. Took me, I don't know, couple hours to figure out one little thing, and then once I got it, it just slipped right in, and I was able to tighten everything down, and that was it. The thing was, down here, there's a gear nut for the gear cable that goes right in. That's supposed to control the gears from the shifter, and I was having a heck of a time getting the cable to go actually in the groove and then up the little cable holder on that side there. And that was really what was taking up most of my time. This here happened when I took the bike down to Sheraton to have them do brake work. They changed the brakes on it and adjusted the brake lines. I had them put new brake pads on it, and now it stops really nicely, as you saw when I almost went through that stop sign, and it almost stopped instantaneously. And the brake levers up top now are nice and tight, like I like them. And I'm pretty sure that when the bike was going slower, that it was the sprocket that had no teeth on it. Which I'll get that back over here again and show you. So this guy here, and as you can tell, there's nothing. I know it's getting dark out, and I thought it might be a short in the cable up here, so I always put it in the on-road mode, or the off-road mode. I mean, off-road actually makes it go faster. Okay, so after my other camera battery died, I had to grab this one. Anyway, so as I was saying with the on-road off-road switch, you guys already know it's 1500 watt 750. So as I'm cruising along, my speed starts dropping, and I have no idea why. And tonight, as you saw, none of that happened whatsoever, and I was able to keep my speeds up, going over bumps. The speed wasn't, the chain wasn't slipping, you know, to drop the speed on it, and it wasn't giving as much torque on it as the new sprocket gets. So I'd say everything on here is good to go. So, and it's almost getting dark, and here she is all lit up. So I got everything all done on it. Like I was saying, the brake pads, brakes adjusted, and everything on it just runs great now. Except for the clicking sound, which I think I should probably just go ahead and get that new sprocket for the motor and be good. And it's definitely rideable now. So, and there's no problems except for that. And this switch down here, I'm really liking that, because when I get to work, all I got to do is just shut it off and pull the key out. That way my Cycleanos there, as you guys see on a lot of my videos on that, actually shuts off because there's no power, or it's actually hardwired into the bike. I can't actually shut it off. I did it that way so none of the cables would come out, because before I was just going crazy at times, and it would cut out and do all sorts of stuff. And I did kind of clean this up down here a little bit, so the wires still kind of hang, and of course down here you can see I do need to clean it up. I got a napkin down there. Can't remember where I was. I think I was at Bebop's, but anyway, I don't go through there anymore because they didn't take my order going through the drive-thru. like McDonald's does. Because McDonald's knows me, and they're okay with it. So, and, oh yeah, somebody asked me about doing a trailer on it. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen unless I get a different type of axle bolt, because the axle on this bike, it's not actually round, it's kind of like a curved on two sides, and then it's smooth, so that way I can fit up snug inside the dropouts, and so I can lock it, or so I can tighten it down in place when I ride. So I do need to figure out a way, possibly get something fabricated where I can just screw it on and then tighten it down, and it would have a piece coming out of it where I can just slip my hitch on and then tighten that down onto the adapter. So, and I know one of you guys asked about that. So, anyway, I'd say things are, again, looking pretty good. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. And I'm actually thinking about doing some PEBL challenges, you know, like doing some hill challenges and, you know, stuff like that. Or maybe you guys can tell me stuff you want to see. So, anyway, we'll catch you later. And again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.